Hey guys, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. So before I start this video, let me tell you that this video is not about fashion, styling or makeup. So I post a lot of pictures on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram then please follow me. This is my Insta handle. So let me tell you one thing, that all these pictures are shot at my home. So in this video I am going to tell you how I click my pictures at home. So mostly I get my pictures clicked from a professional photographer, but since we cannot go outside during this quarantine period, so I thought why should not I click those pictures at home. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just get started. So the first important thing is to have few equipments, and first of them is of course your mobile phone or a DSLR. Even if you don't have a DSLR, that's not an issue. You can always use your mobile phone and click beautiful pictures out of it. Trust me, I have done that almost 80% of the time. And the second important thing is tripod stand. And also, if you do not have a tripod stand or a mobile stand, no need to worry. You can make a blog using hooks or any stand if you have. I have done that a lot when I did not have a tripod. But right now I use a tripod and a DSLR to click my pictures. So the second important thing is background. Background is definitely one of the most important thing while clicking pictures. So when I say background, you need not have a very fancy background. For shooting this particular video, I have used this background, but also I have already prepped this up. Even if you don't have this kind of background, you can use your simple plain wall and you can click your pictures against it. That's not an issue. Also, you can click beautiful pictures in your terrace, your balcony, anywhere that you want. If you follow me on Instagram, you must be knowing that I click a lot of pictures on my balcony. One more thing that is very important and we have to take care is of lightning. Lighting is very important while clicking a picture. Though you can always adjust the lighting while you're editing the picture, but it is always preferable that you click a picture against a good light. You can also use a ring light if you have, but even if you don't have a ring light, that's not an issue. You can always click pictures without using it. Let me tell you, I do not own a ring light and I have clicked all my pictures using natural sunlight or the basic light that we have at our homes. And the last important thing is of course your poses. So yeah, for that let's check out how I make my poses.
So the first picture is quite easy to shoot. All you need is a cute little corner. And for adding some colors to this picture, I am using this pink and silver shimmery cushion. And of course, my metallic silver French curtain for the background. So just sit in front of the camera, and if you don't have anyone to click pictures for you, then also it's very simple. Just put your mobile phone on the mobile stand or tripod, and yes, let me tell you that for clicking this picture I am using natural sunlight. And after all this is how my picture looks. So for the second picture, I thought of shooting something natural, and hence I decided to take this picture in front of the window. I decided to shot this picture from the side angle. This might look very easy, but you really need to adjust your camera a lot for taking that one perfect shot. But I think I got my perfect shot. Wanna see? Check it out. So for the third picture, I am shooting this in my balcony. And just to show you how you can click pictures without tripod stand, I am placing my phone in the front and putting a timer on. And then you can pause and keep checking in between. And yeah, that's it. I am done. So let's see the final pictures.
So that was it for the video, and don't forget to click your pictures at home and do tag me. And yeah, if you like this video then do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you next time with a new subject. Take care, bye bye.